So exercise 6.3 10th sum, CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and EGF such that D and H lie on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and EFG. If these two triangles are similar, we have to prove three conditions. They have given three conditions. So here given the triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. So ABC and FEG and ABC, this is given. Now we have to show that so if two triangles are similar, we know that we have to prove corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are proportional. From these two itself you can see here angle A is equal to angle F, angle A is equal to angle F, and angle B, see here angle B is equal to angle E, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle G, angle C is equal to angle G. Now all the three angles we wrote, and what about the corresponding sides? AB by FE, first two, AB by FE, AC by FG. So AC by FG. From this similar triangles we have to find out what are the corresponding sides, or else you can find out from this also AB by FE. See here AB by FE, then BC by EG, isn't it? AB by FE, AB by FE equal to BC by EG. Okay, then first and last AC by FG, AC by FG. Okay, so in this manner you should write the corresponding sides. So we have got the what is we know what and all the given sides corresponding sides proportionality and the corresponding angles. Now let us take two triangles ACD and FGH. ACD, this smaller triangle, and FGH, this left side triangle, and for this triangle right hand side FGH. Okay, we are taking these two parts, so this part and this part we are taking these two, in which angle A is equal to angle F, angle A is equal to angle F already we have given, we have written in the given part, or from the given we wrote. Then angle 1 is equal to angle 2. How angle 1 is equal to angle 2? See, listen, if C and G are equal, if the holes are equal, then their halves are also equal. If this whole angle is equal, then automatically this half angle also will be equal. So half of C is equal to half of G, that is 1 is equal to 2. Therefore triangle ACD is similar to triangle FGH. So now CD by GH, so last two CD by GH, which is equal to whatever we need, that you can write, or you can write all the three. AC by FG is equal to CD, first two, second and third, first and last, like that you can keep it in mind. See, ACD is similar to triangle FGH. Okay, ACD, FGH, you should write the corresponding angles correctly. A is equal to F, so here A means here F, then B is equal to E, here we are not taking B, so C is equal to G, so take C and G. Then what about the next half triangle ACD and FGH, so D and H, you should write D and H. Finally you can write in any order, but you should write the corresponding angles correctly. Now so AC by FG, AC by FG equal to CD by GH, equal to CD by GH. Then AD by FH, that is not necessary because they are asking only two pairs. Now coming to next condition, see already we have proved this, isn't it, proved above, and but what we know, AC by FG is equal to AC by FG. Here we have proved AC by FG is equal to CD by GH, but what is given, AC by FG is equal to BC by EG. So when we compare this, here AC and FG are equal, therefore automatically these two will be equal. CD by GH is equal to BC by EG, this is equal. Therefore corresponding sides are proportional, we have proved. Then in triangle DCB and HGE, DCE means which triangle? So here DCA, this triangle, and HGE, this left side triangle, whatever we have to prove, that two triangles you take in which what and what are equal. So here in which what and what are equal, that you should write angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So here this part over, in this triangle actually we have DCB and HGE. DCB, let me draw the triangle here so that you will be very clear. Let me draw the triangle here. So what we need is DCB. Okay, now here DCB in this triangle and HGE, so here this triangle and this triangle, these two only we have to prove, isn't it? DCB and HGE only we have to prove. So these two triangles we are taking in which what and what are equal. This 3 is equal to this 4. If the wholes are equal, then their halves are also equal. So this equal, and already we have proved here CD by GH. See here we have proved here CD by GH is equal to BC by AG. From this we are taking this part and writing here again, and we have to give the write up as proved above. You have already proved, isn't it? So that by that statement we are writing CD by GH is equal to BC by EG. Therefore by side angle side criteria, these two triangles are similar. Then we have to prove these two triangles are similar. So from this DCA, here you have 1. So this one angle is equal to angle 1 is equal to angle 2, that is bisectors. If the wholes are equal, then their halves are also equal. And CD by GH is equal to AC by FG as proved. Already we have proved all the three sides are proportional. So here also by side angle side criteria, by SAS criteria, these two triangles are similar. Whatever is equal that you write, what and all equal that you write it, that you can use it for the other proof, and which angle is equal that you write, so that by SAS criteria all the triangles will be similar. Now question number 11. So in this given figure, E is a point on the side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC. So here isosceles triangle, these two sides are equal, and AD perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC. We have to prove these two triangles are similar. So whatever we have to prove similar, that two triangles you take. So ABD and ECF, in which what and what are equal, angle D and angle F each 90 degrees. See here angle D and angle F perpendicular symbol is there, no, each 90 degree, and angle B is equal to angle C. So if two sides are equal, see in a triangle if two sides are equal, then the angle opposite to those two sides are also equal. So if AB is equal to AC, then angle B is equal to angle C. By theorem, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So by AA similarity, these two triangles are similar. Very simply and easily we can prove. Okay, then here this is very important sum. This is median. AD and PM are median. So we have to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Very important, 2 marks. Okay, so in given triangle ABC and PQR, we know that here they have given AB and BC and median AD are proportional to PQ and QR and median PM. AB by PQ, then BC by QR, then AD by PM. Here they have given, see, AB, PQ, BC by QR and AD by PM. This is given. So if BC, if the wholes are equal, then the halves are also equal, isn't it? So what is half of BC? Since it is a median, midpoint, so half of BC will be BD and half of QR will be QM. So let us write this part. Now we have to prove triangle. Now from this, if all the corresponding sides are proportional, here what we are writing, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. So here since all the corresponding sides are proportional, so these two triangles are similar, and angle B is equal to angle Q, corresponding angles of similar triangles. We know that if two triangles are similar, then the corresponding angles are also equal. Therefore angle B is equal to angle Q. And in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, they have given that AB by BC, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. So, and angle B is equal to angle Q, you have proved now. Therefore, by side angle side criteria, these two triangles are also similar. First, you have you know that this smaller triangles are similar. Now, this whole bigger triangle is similar by using SAS criteria. Okay, so you have proved that these two triangles are similar, isn't it? Because all the corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, if this triangle is similar, then by using this corresponding angle, we can say that by SAS criteria, this bigger triangle ABC and PQR are also similar. Then question number 13. D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC such that ADC equal to BAC. This D angle and this A angle is equal. We have to show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Okay, let us take ACB and DCA. ACB and DCA, this whole triangle and the smaller triangle, in which what and all given? Angle A is equal to angle D. Angle A is equal to angle D, that is given, and which is common for both. Here also C, here also C. Or from the triangle also you can find out angle C is equal to angle C common. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by AA criteria. If these two are similar, then you can write what and all corresponding sides are proportional. You can write all the three also, but here whatever two pairs we need, that two pair you write all the three. What you will write? AC by DC. First two. Then second and third. CB by CA. Then first and last. AB by DA. First and last. So from this we are taking this where we have CA, this two part we can take, because here also AC, here also AC, you will be getting AC square or CA square. So if we take these two pair, we will be getting the proof. Okay, that's all children for today.